NISMO makes a really cool exhaust for the B18 Nissan Sentra. This exhaust is designed to have really low back pressure. When you look at the exhaust, the construction is really high quality. The first thing you notice is the exhaust is completely made of 304 stainless. The exhaust is mandrel bent, so that means everything is nice and smooth bends and no kink downs. The muffler is 304 stainless, has a cool NISMO embossment in it, and it's a straight through design for low restriction. The NISMO exhaust is 2.5 inches in diameter, which is a big step up from the stock 2-inch. And that's going to give you a lot more flow. So at the end of the exhaust, you have a nice dual wall tip. It's polished with NISMO laser etching. It's a good looking addition to the exhaust. And with the tip, you have this additional silencer. This will make your exhaust extra quiet if you want it to be more quiet, or if you have local jurisdiction that's more stringent than federal. Now this slides right in there before the tip, and it's held on with this Allen bolt. And it doesn't decrease the performance, but it definitely makes the exhaust note a little bit quieter. It has this Allen wrench for the hold down bolt here, and it comes with a installation removal tool to help you take it in and out. The rest of the kit, it has stainless headed hangers. These are great because they don't slip off the hanger bushings, and it has harder than stock urethane bushings. This prevents your exhaust from shaking around. The hardware is either zinc plated for corrosion resistance or stainless steel. So this exhaust is going to last probably as long as stock, maybe longer. It's all high grade materials, and it has the performance potential to increase your performance and have a sporty sound at the same time. So let's go put this in and see how it sounds. Unbolt the OEM exhaust at the catalytic converter flange. Support the OEM exhaust. Remove the exhaust hangers from the OEM muffler. Remove the OEM exhaust. Replace the OEM gasket at the catalytic converter with the new supplied gasket. Replace the front muffler bracket and hanger with the new included NISMO bracket and hanger. Install the NISMO head pipe. Tighten the bolts at the catalytic converter flange and slide the included muffler clamp over the head pipe. Install the NISMO muffler onto the hangers. Slide the muffler clamp into position. Now align the exhaust into proper position. Once the exhaust is aligned into the proper position, tighten the catalytic converter bolts and the muffler clamp. Install the NISMO tip onto the NISMO muffler. Clean your fingerprints off the exhaust because you don't want them to burn into the finish, and you're done.